A very good morning, children. Once again, I welcome you all to the online class. Today, we are going to learn about articles. It is lesson number 5 from your book, and the topic, the lesson is articles. Now, what are articles? First of all, a and the. These are called articles. Now, where do you use the articles a and an? A and an. A and an, they are indefinite articles. They are used to refer to the nouns in general, not in particular. General is for everyone, okay, belonging to a same group or same category. A and an. Now, where do you use a as an article? A is used as an article for the nouns in singular starting with a consonant. Like you have learned the alphabets in lower classes, alphabets are categorized in two groups. One is vowels, A, E, I, O, U. 5 letters are there. A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. Okay? And the remaining ones are called consonants. So A is used as indefinite articles for the nouns, singular nouns, starting with consonants. Once again, A is an indefinite article used for a singular noun starting with a consonant. Now next is the, sorry, not the, and. And is also an article. Okay. And is the indefinite article used for nouns. It may be singular or plural. They are used for nouns starting with a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Now let's see the example of the vowel A. He is a good boy. He is a good boy. Boy, B is a consonant and boy is singular, so a boy. Okay. I am going to buy a book. A book. I am going to buy a book. Book, B is a consonant and it is a singular noun, so it's starting with A. Next is an. An is used for the nouns. It may be singular or plural, starting with a vowel. Like, it is raining heavily. Okay, it is raining very heavily. I need an umbrella. An umbrella. Umbrella. Starting with U. U is a vowel. I need an umbrella. Okay. Mr. Brown was going to Siliguri, but unfortunately he met with an accident. Accident is a vowel, so it is starting with the article an. Okay. Now the next article is the. This article has various uses. It is used to refer to the nouns in particular, not in general, specific, especially pointed to something or someone. It is used to refer to the countries, the holy books, and some other things are there. So let's see. What is the? The is a definite particular article. They refer to nouns in particular. They do not refer to nouns in general. They refer to nouns in particular. Clear? A is an indefinite article. It is used to refer to a singular noun starting with a consonant. N is also an indefinite noun. It is used to refer to a singular or plural noun starting with a vowel. The is the third article. It is used to refer to the nouns in particular. I'll give you some examples. See, where to use the. A and an I already told you. The is used to refer to the countries like the United Kingdom, the Netherlands. Next, go on. Mountains, the Himalayas, the Alps. Then the islands, the Philippines, the Caribbean islands, etc. Next, oceans and seas, the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, etc. Next, rivers and canals, the Ganges, the Nile, the Suez Canal, etc. Then deserts, the Sahara Desert, the Gobi Desert, etc. Then the newspapers, we have many local newspapers published from Siliguri, like Janpad Samachar, the Janpad Samachar, Statesman, the Statesman, Uttar Bango, the Uttar Bango, Himalaya Darpan, the Himalaya Darpan, the Times of India, the Guardian, etc. Next, it is also used for government bodies like ministries, the Ministry of Finance, the CBI, etc. Number 9, holy or great books, the Gita, the Quran, the Bible, the Gitanjali, etc. Okay, these are the fields where you use the article the. Then where to omit? Omit means to leave articles. We leave articles in front of proper nouns like Miss Jalani, Dr. Khan. We do not say oh Miss Jalani and Miss Jalani, the Miss Jalani. No. We use it for countries and articles, cities. Africa, Indonesia, Hubli. We do not say the Africa, the Indonesia, the Hubli. It is used in certain circumstances only. Next is days and months, like Friday, March. It is omitted in languages and subject. Omitted means I am not using. Okay. Spanish, Sanskrit, history. It is also used for meals. Meals means breakfast, lunch, dinner. It is used for illness also. Illness like paralysis, toothache. It is also used for planets. How many planets are there in the universe? 8. Earlier it used to be 9. Like starting from the position to the sun, nearest to the sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Now, Pluto is excluded from the planets. It doesn't mean that it is a planet now. Earlier it used to be counted as a planet, but the scientists have found out that Pluto does not fulfill all the criteria of a planet. So it is excluded from the list of planets. Now we can say down only there are 7 planets. Okay. Okay, some examples are there. The third Friday of every month. The breakfast was delicious. I cannot talk because of the chocolate. Means we are talking about particular ones. First I say the third Friday. Not every or any Friday. We are talking about one particular Friday. The third Friday. The next is breakfast. We take breakfast every day, no? But sometimes you like the breakfast, sometimes you don't like it. So when we talk about breakfast, which you like very much, it's called the breakfast, the delicious breakfast. The breakfast was delicious, the breakfast was tasty, the breakfast was hot, the breakfast was cold. Next is object, like toothache. Okay, I have a toothache. But when we are talking about one particular, many toothaches are there. But when we are talking about one particular toothache, we say the toothache. Now, I'm going to give you page number 29 as homework. Listen to the answers carefully. Okay, homework. Fill in the blanks using articles. Means a and the. Put an X where no article is required. Wherever article is not required, you put a cross. Clear? Now listen. Number 1. Das Patliputra or Ashoka was totally different from the Patna of today. You right? We are talking about the particular Patliputra. The T capital. Starting of a sentence is always capital letter. Now, number 2. Das Ravi is Das most hardworking people in Das. Number 2. First gap cross. Okay. Then Ravi is the. Ravi is the most hardworking people in the class. Number 3. He gave me a rupees 200 note for my work, but kept back the rupees 500 in his pocket. Number 4. In Das last year of our school, she worked so hard that she passed Das class with Das distinction in all subjects. In the last year of her school, she worked so hard that she passed cross. Okay, she passed class 10 with cross distinction in all subjects. Number 5. Das more delicate, Das embroidery, Das more we pay for it. Number 5. First the, the T capital. The more delicate the embroidery, the more we pay for it. The more delicate the embroidery, the more we pay. Do you know what I mean embroidery? Embroidery is an art. It's a skill where you make designs on clothes using thread and needles. Okay, different designs are made, like flowers and etc. It's called embroidery. Number 6. Das Ganga is Das longest river in Das India. The T capital. The Ganga is the longest river in India. After in, put a cross. The Ganga is the longest river in India. Number 7. I could not find Das daffodils in Das book of poems. I could not find the daffodils in the book of poems. We are talking about one particular book. So the. Number 8. If Das brave are not rewarded, who would like to risk his life to save others? If the brave are not rewarded, who would like to risk his life to save the others? Both the. Number 9. If Das honesty is ignored, Das dishonesty will flourish. If honesty, before honesty there is a dash put a cross. Then next also is a cross. So finally the sentence will be like this. If honesty is ignored, dishonesty will flourish. So number 9, no article. Number 10. Ananya is Das better chess player between her and Raghav. Ananya is two more are there. Okay. So complete your work. So till the next class, bye.